This video introduces subject headings in library catalogs, and how to use subject headings to find more relevant search results. A subject heading is a specific word or phrase used to organize materials by topic. Subject heading searches help find relevant sources more quickly. Library of Congress subject headings are specific terms developed and maintained by the Library of Congress. Most North American academic libraries use the Library of Congress subject headings when cataloging books, journals, videos, dissertations, and more. Let's take a look at the differences between searching with subject headings and keywords. Subject heading searches search only the subject heading field in a record. Keywords search anywhere in a record. Subject headings need to be the exact words or phrases. Keywords are natural language terms, and you need to think of all synonyms, spelling variations, and so forth. Subject heading searches give you more relevant results. Keyword searches include many irrelevant results. There are 3 ways to find Library of Congress subject headings. You can visit the Library of Congress subject headings search page, or go to the Library of Congress subject headings PDF files to find the most updated Library of Congress subject headings. Both links are in the description box. You can go to the detailed record of a relevant item, find its subject headings, and click the hyperlink to find relevant sources related to the subject. Subject heading searches help you find relevant sources quickly, but it does not guarantee comprehensive search results. This is because librarians use Library of Congress's subject headings to categorize library resources, but assigning subject headings is not an objective process. For example, librarians may assign broader or narrower subject headings to items on the same topic. These 2 books listed here are both about traditional Chinese medicine. The one on the left has 1 subject heading. The one on the right includes narrower subject headings. In addition, librarians from different universities may assign different numbers of subject headings, and broader or narrower subject headings to the same book. Even print and e-copies of the same book from the same library can be assigned different subject headings. Generally speaking, subject headings of print copies are likely to be more accurate. Library of Congress subject headings keep evolving. Librarians may not have the capacity to update older records. For example, Zhiqing Generation became a Library of Congress subject heading in 2018. The book on the left was published in 2014 and doesn't have Zhiqing Generation as a subject heading. The one on the right was published in 2019 and has Zhiqing Generation in its subject headings. So when searching items, you may need to search with different subject headings to refine your search results. Sometimes, changes are made to correct bias in subject headings. A 2019 documentary called Change the Subject tells a story about a group of college students who challenged anti-immigrant language in the Library of Congress subject headings and lobbied to replace the subject heading Illegal Aliens with Undocumented Immigrants. The lobbying wasn't an immediate success, but in 2021, the Library of Congress finally decided to delete the subject headings Aliens and Illegal Aliens and replace the terms with new subject headings Non-Citizens and Illegal Immigration. Now, let's review what we've learned. Subject headings are different from keyword searches. Subject headings are great for finding more relevant results in library catalog searches. It's often best to start searches in library catalogs with keywords. Then, use subject headings to narrow or broaden your search results. You can also combine keywords and subject heading searches to get the best search results. Searching is not like doing a math calculation. There is no one right answer. A variety of subject headings and keywords can lead you to useful library resources, so be creative and don't give up. Please click the exercise link in the description box to test your learning. Answers are provided after you complete the exercise. If you have any questions, please ask your librarian.